My name is Gabor Szentivanyi. I'm the CIO of Kymera International. Kymera International provides specific materials for specific use cases, like specific metal powders for powder metallurgy and specific material for surface treatment for advanced wear or tear protection, and together with material also services through the surface technology area. Automation, machine learning, AI, robotic process automation have their place and time to use. Carefully selecting the best next steps in IT, manufacturing companies can rapidly grow their value-added IT footprint into the company's value chain. Looking ahead, Kymera International anticipates further acquisitions, adding new companies. These new acquisitions can rapidly connect to the data warehouse we are building and to the overall information package at the end. The company aims to the utilization of data warehouse and Power BI dashboarding, transitioning from traditional spreadsheets or Excel-based calculations to comprehensive global insights.